Dear children, today we are going to learn the last part of the story, page number 42. Its title is A True Friendship. A True Friendship. True means not false. True, correct. True friendship. Friendship. There is also a picture. Look at there. What do you see in this picture? Anna and the boy on the bank of the stream. What is she doing? She is giving a paper boat to the boy. Okay. Who made these boats? And Arundhati made these boats. For whom? To Anna and that boy. Look at the passage. Anna gently launched her boat. Who gently launched her boat? Anna. What is she doing? He launching her boat in the stream. Swiftly, the boat sailed down the stream. Swiftly means quickly. The boat sailed down the stream. Who stood there watching it? The boy stood there. The boy stood on the bank of the stream and watching it. A faint smile appeared on her lips. A smile, a line of smile appeared on his lips. Whose lips? The boy's lips. Anna looked at the boy through the corner of her eyes. Looked at him. What is he doing? Suddenly, he saw the boat getting caught in a heap of mud and stones. Suddenly, Anna saw. What is she seeing? She is seeing her boat caught in a heap of mud and stones. Water splashed it against it and slowly flooded it. In a flash, suddenly, the boy jumped into the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. The boy escaped her boat from the stream. He jumped into the stream and pulled out of the water. He gave it to Anna. He gave that boat to Anna. അപ്പോൾ അവളുടെ ബോട്ട് മുങ്ങിപ്പോയപ്പോൾ അത് രക്ഷിച്ചെടുത്തത് ആരാണ്? നമ്മുടെ ഈ കുട്ടിയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അന്നയ്ക്ക് സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ട് എന്ത് തോന്നിക്കാണും? വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷം തോന്നിക്കാണും. ഷീ ടുക്ക് ദ ബോട്ട് ആൻഡ് സ്മൈൽഡ്. The boy smiled back pleasantly. They smiled, boy and the Anna. Anna gently placed another boat in the stream. She placed another boat in the stream. It sailed swiftly and drifted past. Soon it was out of sight. Soon the boat was disappeared. It moved away. Anna and the boy looked at each other and smiled because they are very happy. They become good friends. It is an example of a true friendship. This is a story of a true friendship. Okay, then we are going to read that passage. Please listen. Look at your textbook. A true friendship. Anna gently launched her boat. Swiftly the boat sailed down the stream. The boy stood there watching it. A faint smile appeared on his lips. Anna looked at the boy through the corner of her eyes. Suddenly, she saw the boat getting caught in a heap of mud and stones. Water splashed against it and slowly flooded it in a flash. The boy jumped into the stream and pulled the boat out of water. Out of the water. He gave it to Anna. She took the boat and smiled. The boy smiled back pleasantly. Anna gently placed another boat in the stream. It sailed swiftly and drifted past. Soon it was out of sight. Anna and the boy looked at each other and smiled. Okay, you will read two or more times. Then we can do the activity number 2, page number 46. Activity number 2, page number 46. Read the following sentences. Write the word opposite in meaning to the word underlined in the space provided. Complete this puzzle using these words. Write the word opposite in meaning to the word underlined. ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വേർഡുകൾ നമ്മൾ എഴുതണം ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകളുടെ. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. അന്ന ഈസ് സ്മോൾ ബട്ട് ദ ബോയ് ഈസ് സ്മോൾ ബിഗ്. ബിഗ് സ്മോൾ ബിഗ്. അന്ന ലേൺഡ് ഡാഷ് ഹാബിറ്റ്സ് ഫ്രം ഹർ aunt. She does not like bad habits. Anna learned good habits. Good, bad. Good, its opposite is bad. Anna's father started for his office at dash and returned home at dusk. Dawn, dusk. Dawn means morning. Dusk means evening. DAWN, dawn. The boy launched his boats during the day. He dreamt about it at dash night. Day, night. The boy pulled the boat. Anna became sad and made boats. Anna became happy. Sad, happy. Then you complete the puzzle using these words. Okay, then thank you.